In this video, Bitcoin has met our target exactly as predicted here for the short-term price action. But right now, guys, take a look at this as Bitcoin is right now forming a much bigger falling wedge, indicating a potential big move with the Bitcoin price action. Well, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to our The Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, let's now dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba sa previous analysis natin, we were monitoring this downside, itong breakdown ni Bitcoin from this rising wedge. And diba sabi ko nga sa inyo, traditionally the movement of this wedge would take us back to this 109,900 US dollars, which we have actually seen exactly as predicted. And diba sabi ko nga sa inyo, if you want to enter this trade, what I highly recommend is you wait for a movement na pabalik sa 111,300 around that area. And as you can see, bumalik ka siya doon and then continue yung movement pababa. But right now, ano ba next dito kay Bitcoin? And just to give you an update, nag-update din ako sa Instagram channel na nagkakaroon nga tayo dito ng broadening falling wedge kay Bitcoin within the 50-minute time frame. Binanggit ko to sa Instagram channel ko. So, if di pa kayo naka-follow sa IG channel ko, make sure to follow my IG, guys. May channel ako doon na nagpo-post ako ng update sa crypto. But yun nga, we saw a broadening falling wedge, which is traditionally a bullish pattern. So we saw Bitcoin back to the 109,000 US dollars. And right now, we have been consolidating dito sideways kay Bitcoin. Now, ano ba next move dito kay Bitcoin? And this is a very interesting thing kasi considering na we are now in September and historically, September is a bearish month or wherein we usually see na pagbagsak ng crypto. Historically, for the past few years na nag-crypto trade ako, usually September ang pinakang bad month when it comes to crypto. So what does it mean? Usually, magkakaroon tayo ng onting pagkakit then biglang babagsak si Bitcoin ng malala. Ganun yung usually nangyayari sa mga previous movement for the past few years. Pero after ng malalang pagbagsak, ang nangyayari kasi doon is nag-recover siya throughout November, December, and January. So that's why historically, November, December, January yung pinaka-okay months para mag-take profit. Then the best time to be buying would be September. But right now, I think we are seeing a new scenario dito and we will take advantage of this, guys, and we will be monitoring this. But as you can see right now dito kay Bitcoin, we have started forming a falling wedge, and traditionally a falling wedge is a bullish pattern to the upside, taking us back to the top of the wedge. But ito ang nakikita ko kasi dito. So from my understanding dito sa nakikita natin, it's actually coming from a potential dead cat bounce. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Well, let's try to zoom out dito kay Bitcoin. So, if you're going to look at this movement to Bitcoin, you can see if you open the, siguro let's open the 150 MA or 50-day moving average. You would see na previously Bitcoin has been bouncing dito sa taas nitong 50-day moving average. But right now, you can see na we have started breaking down below the 50-day moving average, indicating na we are now seeing a much lower low. Kasi previously, ang nangyayari kay Bitcoin is we were seeing ito, yung unang low, then higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. But right now, nangyari is hindi nag-continue yung higher low. Instead, it formed a lower low. So this could indicate na makakita tayo ng potential bounce back dito, but it's not going to break the higher high, but rather it's just going to form a dead cat bounce na wherein it's a lower high, indicating na we might go even down lower dito kay Bitcoin. So with that being said, ano ba yung magiging target sa atin dito sa Bitcoin when it comes to this 4-hour time frame falling wedge? So if you open this chart, you can see na ayun na, we are forming certain resistances dito. Let's try to plot all of those resistances dito para ma-monitor natin siya. And ang pinakang unang resistance na nakikita natin dito is going to be the 112,000 US dollars. So, in this case, paano ba natin to ita-trade? So, ideally, the best way to trade this is for, number one, either to wait for a breakout with volume. So, if nagkaroon na siya ng breakout dito tapos nagkaroon ng volume, then that can be the best time to open a long position. The other thing na you can take is you wait for a pullback dito, siguro around the 109,500. If we saw a pullback dyan, that can be a good re-enter dito kay Bitcoin. And then now, ang pinaka-important dito is the stop loss. Kasi considering na we are in September red month, bears are actually usually much stronger on September. So in that case, it's very crucial na maglagay tayo ng stop loss dito around the 109,200 or even lower, 108,800. A very tight stop loss talaga to. But considering na there's a big potential dito, it's actually, I think it's going to be worth taking if, let's say, we are going to see a continuous movement to the upside. But bear in mind na September red month nga, so we are still going to consider the risk nito. And with that being said, ano ba yung magiging targets natin? So the first target would be the 112,450 US dollars. So yung 112,450 US dollars would be our first take profit area. In this case, if na-hit natin yung first target, I will be adjusting my stop loss into a trail stop around maybe 110,700. Then after nyan, if let's say umakit palalo si Bitcoin, then we might potentially see a final movement up until the 117,000 US dollars. In that case, if na-meet yun, I think I will be taking all my profits from there on. Siguro, if possible, 70% take profit. And then the rest, mag-add na lang ako ng trail stop around the 114K or 114,200. Para just in case na biglang bumagsak si Bitcoin ng tuluyan, then at least secured na yung profits natin. So, yeah, right now, we are going to take advantage of this next trade kay Bitcoin, and this is going to be a very good move. And take note, if you want to take advantage of this next big move the Bitcoin, make sure to trade this guys kay Bybit. Kasi kay Bybit, mas mura ang mga Bitcoin trading fees as compared to any other type of platforms. And may gusto pa sana ako isang ipakita sa inyo, which is the stochastic RSI in the 4-hour time or in the daily time frame. But maybe I'll just send that dun sa Instagram channel natin para kahit paano check nyo rin yung Instagram channel ko. So, make sure to check out my IG, guys. You can find that, guys, in the description down below. And you can find my channel as well as there then. But anyway, yun lang muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.